The recent reports regarding the CIA poisoning the sky stem from declassified 1960s documents that resurfaced in early 2026. If you are not aware, there are articles that are now surfacing on social media saying that allegedly, right, because we got to use it for these videos, that the CIA is being accused of poisoning the sky with toxins as files expose secret weather control agenda. This is the stories that are coming out now. The Daily Mail is actually covering this as well, so it's like, okay, this is article stuff that's coming out now. And the center of the secret files, the documents, many declassified as early as 2003, detailed Cold War era research into weather modification as a potential strategic tool. It is a matter of public record that the U.S. military used cloud seeding, dispersing silver iodide during the Vietnam War to extend the monsoon season, an operation known as Project Popeye. Operation Popeye or Project Popeye, a highly classified military program that used cloud seeding to extend the monsoon season in Southeast Asia. This was intended to wash out the Ho Chi Minh Trail and disrupt enemy supply lines during the Vietnam War. Then you have Project Storm Fury, a joint venture between the U.S. Navy and the Department of Commerce that attempted to weaken tropical cyclones by seeding them with silver iodide. The project was eventually discontinued as results were inconclusive. Declassified 1960s CIA memos reports highlight 1965 documents showing the CIA explored using weather control as a strategic weapon, including dispersing chemicals, rockets, or aircrafts to alter storm systems. While the history of weather modification is real, modern allegations regarding chemtrails or widespread toxic poisoning are widely dismissed by the scientific community. And you have the chemtrail theory. And those claims that aircraft are intentionally spraying toxins like lead iodide or barium are generally categorized as conspiracy theories. A 2016 study of 77 atmospheric scientists found that 98.7% saw no evidence of a secret large-scale spraying program. And you have chemtrails versus toxins. Scientists explain that the white streaks left by planes are contrails, condensation trails, formed when hot engine exhaust meets cold, high altitude air, similar to seeing your breath on a cold day. Government stance, agencies like NOAA and the EPA maintain that cloud seeding is only used on a small scale by private companies for local water management and is not a clandestine global poisoning operation. Do you guys agree? Yes or no? The persistence of these theories often stems from real past experiments. For example, during the Cold War, the U.S. Army admitted to conducting secret tests in St. Louis where they spray zinc cadmium sulfide on residents to simulate the spread of biological agents. Such historical incidents are frequently cited by proponents as proof of ongoing secret agendas. let's not forget, and don't ever forget, that Bill Gates wants to dim the sun, block the sun. Don't forget that. That was said. And just know that we are under a firmament. You know, the Simpsons episode, all these movies show you, right? Like Shazam, they flying up, they can't get out the globe. Simpsons with the episode with the big globe, even in the movie, the globe over there. Come on, man. You think, where they getting that from? Firmaments. The firmament. You hear the talking now? All of a sudden? See? Just like when you look up at the sky, you see that blue color? That's water. You hear the honk, you hear the talking? It's water. You know, like a snow globe. You shake the snow globe. You hear the bang. You see the snow globe. You see the design, but there's a big globe. That's just like what you have right now. It's a big snow globe around us, a dome. Don't forget about Elon's SpaceX program, where that rocket flew up and it blew up. They thought that it was like they said it failed, right? So it was supposed to go to Mars, but it blew up. And this is just me thinking out the box here. But were those rockets really to go to Mars, or is it blowing up because it hit the dome? And those rockets are being used, and all the wars and all the stuff you're seeing out there that they're trying to blow up in the sky is so that these reptilians and these low energy frequency demons want to get out of the dome. They're trying to escape. Let's not forget what came out of Elon's mouth, right? With AI, we are summoning the demon with AI. We are summoning the demon. Why would you call it the demon? Why would you call it an entity? Why would you use those words? And once you start to understand that a lot of us are not humans, but there's masks, there's shapeshifters, there's those in meat suits, reptilians, demons, angels, light, dark, finding a host such as body hack control, or with AI now and technology and deepfake, you see how AI is having their own little social network going on now, and the stuff you're seeing. Come on, come on, make it make sense. So again, this is all conspiracy theories with this stuff that just leaked out now with the CIA. But you gotta ask yourself, is it or is it not? After all, with all this stuff happening now coming out into the light with the government, people in government eating babies and doing sacrificing, and a lot of things happening within those in government, celebrities and all this stuff. By the way, celebrities ain't even, they like this right now. When it comes to that situation with eating babies and the files and all stuff, they like this. They getting their rewards, their globes, and they smiling and they taking pictures of them, but not one person. They like this. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? Just something to think about.